When you violate somebody's copyright, know that there is criminal liability under our law. Don't just see that, I did not actually do like this, or it was me that did like this. It was this other person. I only have the material with which they acted, but I did not tell them to. My dear, there is criminal liability for violation of someone's copyright. Where you do that, we're talking about 5 years jail term or 10,000. I know that sometimes there are some of these are laws that you actually look at penalties, fines, and you ask yourself, in this present generation, how can you violate somebody's copyright and they're telling you a fine of 10,000 for maybe an act that will give you millions or billions of naira or dollar? There, somebody is telling you to come and pay a fine of 10,000 naira. You will go back and do it again, say, after all, it's not, except maybe looking at the financial situation of the country and how far the country has now advanced and how expensive things are, cost of living, the judge may now, at his or her own discretion, give a more higher penalty, considering the exact act that is in question and is before the court for determination. Okay, so anybody also who sells, who lets for the purpose of trade, you have asked, like I was talking about in one of my videos, I was talking about when you want to take it for, when you want to get copyright for private use, home use, for educational purposes, and you now want to put it into further use. You now want to sell it. You now want to start renting it, that the law does not like it. So when you do that, you can also come under punishment. You can pay like 10,000 as well, or you can do a 3-year term. Okay, so if you are taking permission from somebody and the person grants you that permission or grants you that access to use his or her work, please use it for exactly the same purpose that you have asked for it. Okay, so if you also buy by renting, there's also a punishment of 3 years or 1,000. You can also do both. Okay, so if you also procure the means, if you procure the means fraudulently, or you aid another person to get it where the person is not entitled to get it, the same punishment I have just mentioned above earlier is also what you're going to come under. Okay, and then you can do, when you come before the court to do your proceedings, because of the violation, you can do both criminal and civil proceedings simultaneously. This is Xavier Law Essence. Here we keep giving you premium legal tips to help you make informed decisions, live informed life, and discover the best version of yourself. We'll see you again.